And that kind of takes us into what I wanted to talk about first here. So I just used two words interchangeably, and I should have been more careful. So the tonic note and the root note, let's talk about the difference. They are not the same thing. A lot of people use these interchangeably. They are subtly different terms. Your tonic note. The tonic note is the start of a scale. It's the start of a key signature. So in this case, as I look on the screen here, we took this set of intervals to create a major scale. Whole, whole, half, whole, 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 half. We took that set of intervals and we applied it to this first note over here. That would be a C. C, in this case, is the tonic note. It is the start of a scale, the start of a key signature. We would say that this group of notes that I derived from this set of intervals, this group of notes is the key of C. C is the tonic. The root note is slightly different, and so let's come over here real quick. Let's say I had a third interval. Okay, so that is the distance between the first note and the third note of the scale we found out. Okay. And let's say I stay within this C major scale. All right. So if I come over here, I can treat C as the root note, and let's define the root note as the start of harmony. When I start stacking notes on top of one another, that is creating harmony. Okay? This is the relationship of notes to one another. Harmony. So when I stack a note on top of my C note, C is the root of this set of notes, because I started on C and then I took it up to E and put an E note on top of that to create a major third. I could also treat D as the root note, and that's what we see in the next measure here, this next example. So over here I've got a D note with a third above that D note stacked on top of it. D in this case is the root note. I'm still in the key of C. Right? All these notes, I got these from starting on C as the tonic and building out that major scale. But in this case, though, I'm treating D as the root, because the root is different. That's the start of harmony, the start of an interval, the start of a chord. Later on, we're going to find out at the start of a mode. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense.